Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to run your own local ChatGPT on your PC. Alright, the first thing we need to do is install LLM Studio. So open a browser, go to the website llmstudio.ai, and we are going to download LLM Studio for Linux. And we are going to open a terminal by hitting CMD. Let's go to the downloads folder, and as you can see, this one will be downloaded. In order to run LLM Studio, we need to change the permissions. It needs to be executable, so let's change that one by running the following command. And as you can see, now it is executable. Okay, and there we go. This is LLM Studio. Okay, now it's time to download the model so we can chat against the model. So we are going to search for the bloke, code Llama. Now let's download Q6 for example. And you can see in your downloads tab that it's downloading all the models. Once this is finished, you can go to chat. And then it's time to chat against the model. So you can select a model here. So for this time, I'm going to select this one. All right, accept it. And I want my GPU to run at maximum. So let's use max or click the button max. And now you can write whatever you want, ask whatever you want, and it will output something to you. So let's do that. Write me a Python script that can create a QR code of the URL https youtube.com/ranksai. All right. And there you go.